Creating a challenge funnel in LeadPages is one of the quickest ways to engage your audience and get more signups or leads, but it's not as simple as just clicking buttons. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how to create a challenge funnel, and by the end, you'll know if LeadPages is the right tool for you, or if another platform might actually be a better fit for your goals. First thing you'll need to do is log into your LeadPages account. If you haven't already signed up, you can get started with a free trial to explore the platform. Once you're in, click on Create New Page and choose a template. For a challenge funnel, you're going to want something that is focused on user engagement, so I recommend using a template that's designed for lead generation or even event registration. Next thing, customize your landing page. LeadPages gives you a drag and drop editor, which is great for non-designers, but don't get too excited just yet. While it's easy to use, it's also limited in terms of customization, especially when you want more complex features. Add a clear, compelling call to action that explains what the challenge is and what people will get by signing up. The more specific, the better. A strong headline and brief description are key to converting traffic into signups. The third thing is to set up your challenge emails. After someone signs up, you'll want to send them a series of emails that guide them through the challenge. LeadPages does integrate with email marketing platforms, but keep in mind that the email functionality within LeadPages itself is basic, so it's often better to integrate with more robust tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit for advanced automation. The key here is to set up email triggers for each day of the challenge to keep participants engaged and motivated. Next, you need to create your funnel's thank you page and any confirmation or reminder pages. After a person signs up for your challenge, they need to see a thank you page that reassures them they're in the right place. LeadPages makes this easy with pre-built templates, but it can be a bit of a hassle to match the design across multiple pages, especially if you're aiming for a branded look. The fifth thing is to drive traffic. You can use social media ads or email campaigns to promote your challenge funnel, but what I really want to highlight here is that LeadPages offers great options for embedding lead capture forms across multiple channels. However, the limitations come when you want to integrate advanced tracking or run more complex campaigns. If you're looking for more advanced targeting, you might want to look into other funnel tools that offer better integrations with advertising platforms. Now, while LeadPages is a solid tool for building simple funnels like this one, let's talk about what it's lacking. The reporting and analytics aren't as robust as what you'd find in more advanced tools, and there's a steep learning curve if you want to dive into deeper customization. It's a good option for beginners, but if you're planning on running a larger, more sophisticated challenge funnel, you might hit some walls. The final thing I want to mention is that I'm offering an exclusive and extended free trial for LeadPages through the link in the description. But before you sign up, I've also included a list of alternatives that could actually be better suited for this type of funnel, especially if you're looking for something with more features, better email integrations, and stronger analytics. These alternatives also come with free trials, so you can test them before committing. By using the link below, you'll not only get the best free trial deal, but also some amazing extra benefits that are only available to our viewers. Check them out and make an informed decision on what's right for your challenge funnel goals.